Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button to join the glam squad where I talk about makeup, skin, hair, anything that can make you look glamorous. Now K-Beauty has launched their new exclusive highlighter range in Nykaa and I was so thrilled by the whole thing and the pictures and everything that I saw in the Instagram and everywhere. I was like so thrilled by this whole lot. So I am gonna be testing and trying out the K-Beauty highlighter, and also I'm gonna be swatching it with the other highlighters that I have in my collection and most of the people have in their collection, like the Wet n Wild Precious Petal and the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, because I know that if you're a highlighter junkie, adding a new highlighter won't be a problem because we love a good highlighter in our collection and we can never get enough of it. But there are people who are not ready to buy so many highlighters and they want to buy a highlighter that's worth their money. So I am going to be swatching it with the other highlighters that I have in my collection so you get a better idea, and I'm also going to be describing how the formula differs with other highlighters. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. If you are following the K-Beauty Instagram page, they have just kind of launched it, and when I saw it I couldn't resist myself, so I just went ahead and purchased it. So today it came. I haven't opened it up and I really wanted to open it with you guys and show you my first impression. Okay, so it comes in this packaging. Okay, so it's like this. So this is the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter enriched with avocado and mango butter. So it has this white and nude packaging. It looks really beautiful with the K-Beauty monogram all across the body, which looks really nice. It is a very sleek and a very classy packaging, I would say. Best thing I would say, the packaging is so good. It has this cushiony thing which will protect your highlighter when it is being delivered. When it is actually in the transit, it will protect the highlighter so that the highlighter don't break, because we usually face this problem when we buy from online and anything, like we kind of see when it arrives it kind of shattered, it broke during the transit process and everything. So one thing is really good, that it has this cushion thing inside it to protect the highlighter. So this highlighter is priced at $7.99 each. I got in the first day launch. So yeah, I got only one shade, but I'm gonna be showing you the swatches that I have seen. So these are the 6 shades that K-Beauty has launched with. The best thing that I liked about the shade range is that they are gonna be catering to different skin tones. So every skin tone will have their shade, and the best thing that I really like, that frosted eyes. If anybody has a very light skin tone, I would say frosted eyes will really look good because it's a very neutral shade. It won't look extreme yellow or extreme like white on your skin. So it is a very natural sheen kind of color which it looked in the swatch. And Sunlit is a very nice warm yellow tone, like a gold color, I would say. I really like Sunlit. I first thought of going with the Sunlit highlighter, but then I was like, no, I don't want that. I just wanted something a very champagne-y color, so I went with Champagne Fizz. It is in the shade Champagne Fizz. I think this is so thin. It can easily glide onto your pockets, I would say. So the amount of product you will get is 8.5 grams, so that's a lot of product. So this is how the packaging looks like. The best part is that it has a mirror. So you are blessed that it has a mirror, because if you consider the Master Chrome, Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, it doesn't come with a mirror. You talk about the Precious Petals, it doesn't come with a mirror. So this product has a mirror, and that's the best part. And it has this plastic film on top, which I'm obviously gonna remove. I haven't touched it and I'm really super excited. I'm just gonna be coming a bit closer. So let me just swirl it. This is insane. Can you just see? It is super pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna be applying dry over here and wet over here. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. I'm gonna be using this brush. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH09 brush. Okay, oh my god. Are you seeing what I am seeing? Like, oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Like, this is no highlight, and this is like, who are you? Just gonna wet the brush and see how much more intensity I get. I just want to get a bit. Holy moly. Now, as we know, highlighters kind of emphasize your texture, but I would say that it really didn't emphasize much texture, but it did enhance my pores over here. I would really say that this highlighter is really good. I actually have a texture over here, but it is not emphasizing. It is there. It is like wet. It is like beautiful. I would say if you spray your brush with a makeup fixing spray and then you apply it, I think you will get a very more skin like seamless highlighter application, whereas this side it does look way more like a struck highlighter. With this side it looks so much more blend. So now let me just highlight the other parts of my face. So yeah, now I'm gonna be swatching and showing you with other highlighters that I have in my collection. So this is Maybelline Master Chrome, this is Precious Petals. Now let's just swatch the K-Beauty highlighter. This one is the K-Beauty highlighter in Champagne Fizz. This is Maybelline Master Chrome and this is Precious Petals. Now you can see this is the lightest one out here. All the three shades are different. So yep, so Champagne Fizz is a very unique color I would say in my collection, and I really look forward using it. It is incredibly beautiful. So now I think I have cleared your thoughts that whether it would be an add-on to your collection or after swatching it with you guys. Now I really feel that 719 rupees was really worth it because I don't have this kind of color in my collection. So this product, so as you can see the pan, it is like not like crazy fallout, but there are little bit of fallout that is completely fine with me. And I would say the K-Beauty one is more like silky and lightweight. It doesn't have too much of weight or texture to it, but Maybelline Master Chrome does give that texture if you want to compare with that. And I hope the review was helpful to you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it and liked it. Yeah, that's it. Do mention in the comment which is your favorite shade and which one you are planning to grab on, or whether you are planning to grab on or not. What do you exactly think about this product? Do mention in the comment below. I would really like to see your opinion. Until then, we'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because your subscription means a lot to me. I feel a lot motivated and I feel whatever content I'm making, I think it's worth it. So yeah, if you like my videos, I feel good. So yeah, that's it. We'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.